Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. So happy you're here because I have something new to my channel. This is the Talisa box, and this is all about personalized jewelry, and they do have a subscription box, and that's what this is. So I can't wait to dig into it. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have sleepy sidekicks. Wyatt's joining me today. I think you can just see his little white head a little bit, or body. Zena, who's typically with me, has decided to take the day off. This girl's really running through her vacation pretty quick this year. So we're happy you're here. We hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so I'm really in love with the idea of this subscription box. The name comes from a husband and wife duo. So it's a combination of his name, which is Tal, and her name, which is Lisa. So it's Talisa. So I'm loving that. And it's all about showing expression through their jewelry, through your extended family, because all of it can be personalized with their names. And they have so many options out there. They have gold, they have silver, they have delicate, they have more towards the statement. So I think you're really going to love these pieces. As she said in their story, she said, "For us, jewelry is more than just a fashion statement. It's an artistic way to express our special connection with our extended family." So I thought that was really cool. So I'm very much enjoying this. Let me just quickly run through how this box works, and then we're going to get into opening my box. So first of all, it is a personalized box. You take the style quiz and let them know what you like. So this goes to, do you like bracelets? Do you like necklaces? Do you prefer gold or silver or a combination? And then there's a 7-day trial once you receive it. And then you keep what you love and you return the rest, even if it is personalized. So in order to schedule your first box, you take the quiz. There's a $20 styling fee is charged per box for preparation, shipping, and handling. Then the curated stylist picks each box, and your 7-day trial will begin once you receive it. And then your $20 styling fee does get credited towards anything you decide to keep. And then how are they built? How are the boxes built? So once you complete the quiz and schedule your box, a stylist team gets to work. And they'll match you up with meaningful pieces of jewelry based on your style and your fit preferences. And each box, it says, with each new box, your selection will become more and more personalized because they get used to you and they start to know you. So you have up to 7 days to try on your items, decide what you'd like to keep. And remember, you only pay for what you love, even if it's already personalized. You only pay for what you love. So you keep what you want and send back the rest, and finalize your box online during that try-on period. So it does say, as a box member, you also enjoy 25% off every piece of jewelry. So if you become a subscription box subscriber, then it says, as a box member, you'll also enjoy 25% off every piece of jewelry. And then to ship everything back, there is a return label right in here. So let's get started. I'm so excited about this. So I filled out my profile. I told them what I like, which I kind of like everything. Shared my names of family members that I would like on my boxes. So when I open my box, this is what I see. And it says, your 7-day try-on starts now. Wear your jewelry, show it around. Choose to keep or return as many items as you want, then go to your box dashboard to check out so our system will know what to charge you for. And then return what you don't love for free. Simply attach the return label that you got in your box and drop it at any USPS store. And right on top is this little card. How cute is this? Looks like it's handwritten. So it's addressed to me. And this is going to give me my return label to return what I don't want to keep, and a little note from my stylist, which I think is so cool. So it says, "Hi, I'm Kyra, your personal stylist. I hope these pieces are a good match for your style. Try them on and let me and the team know if we got it right." Okay, so it says, what's next? You now have 7 days to decide. After you make up your mind, go to your account to finalize your order so we know what you'd like to keep. And number 2, they want to hear from you. Tell us what you loved and what can be improved to help us curate your jewelry collection. Send us an email or leave a voice message and we'll get back to you. Talk soon. And they do have an email and phone number on this sheet, as well as a QR code for you to connect with them. Let's get into my pieces. I'm so excited about this. So first up, we'll do the small box first. Look how pretty this is. And this one, excuse me, this one is a pair of earrings. So they come in a little pouch inside. And check out these. These are called the Classy Link Chain in sterling silver. Check out how pretty those are. You see that? I don't want my fingernail to cover them. Look how pretty those are. These are all one piece. They're not loose. They're solid. I think those are so cute, right? So cute. I think that's adorable. So I'm really enjoying these. And these come in sterling silver, 18 karat gold plated, or 18 karat gold vermeil. And these are regularly $65. Does look like they have sales going on their site, but if you everything regular price, I have a code for you to get 10% off, so no worries there. So let me get these on so I can show you. Aren't these pretty? I'm enjoying these very much. This is not too big, not too small. I feel like these are a really nice size. They're lightweight, but they feel so nice on. I like these. Super cute. Obviously, you can let your stylist know if you have preferences to make sure you get things that are closest to what you like. All right, so now we're going to get into the bigger boxes. Here's the first one. I'm so excited about this. So this is a personalized necklace. How pretty is that? Is that not so cool? So this one is called the Family Circle Milanese Chain Name Necklace. This one is in sterling silver. It also comes in 18 karat gold plated. $140 is the regular price. How pretty is that? I love that. And it says, a strong bond starts with an initial spark. A small ignition between two souls is the start of a beautiful connection. This feeling of happiness is one that we should keep anchored in our hearts and treasure every day. Remind yourself of your special connection with the Family Circle necklace by adding the names of your loved ones. So I added the names of my loved ones. And how pretty is this necklace? I just love it. So there is engraving on there. I can see it. I don't know if it's coming through on camera. Yeah, I think you guys can see that. But they'll engrave whoever's names you want on there. I love that it's not like so overt, but it's just delicate on there. And this chain is so nice. Hope you can see that. Is that not so pretty? I think that is so awesome. I'm really liking this. And it says the chain and pendant are made of sterling silver, and in 925, and engraved up to 3 texts, a max of 9 characters for each, just so that you're aware. So you can get up to 3 names put on it if you like. And how pretty is that? All right, so I'm so in love. This feels so nice on the skin. It lays nice and flat. I love that personalized detail. You could get your, family names, your animal names. This is a great way to capture any of your loved ones that you want to put on a necklace and wear. Is that not adorable? I love it. And I love that they give you the option to try before you buy by doing the box. I think that is so pretty. But I have another one more, because you get 3 in the subscription box. This one is called the Eternity Circle Bracelet. Mine is in sterling silver. This one is not engraved. Just my necklace is engraved. And this is really pretty. So this, I love these little interlocking. Can you guys see that? I'm not holding it up nicely. See the little bit of stones there, that interlocking circles. Creates a delicate little chain. I'm really enjoying that. This one also has a lobster clasp, which this one did too. So it has the regular lobster clasp. And then you have a lot of room here to make it as large or small on your wrist as you want it. So it would fit most wrists. I think that is so pretty. What do you think of that one? And it says, you could also express your unwavering love and enduring style with our Eternity Circle bracelet, fine crafted from noble sterling silver. This bracelet radiates poise with its unique circle emblem, signifying eternal connections, a harmonious blend of durability and grace. It's the perfect accessory for everyday wear or special occasions. Embrace the elegance of eternity with this sterling silver masterpiece. So it is 925 sterling silver. The chain length is 6.5 inches to 7.5 inches with a 6.5, so with a 1-inch extension. And the bracelet enriches with white cubic zirconia stones. It is $79 regular price. And it has the ability for you to get the measurements of your wrist on their site as well if you're not sure. And let me put this on for you. So here is the bracelet. How pretty is this? They have so much on their site. It's definitely worth checking out. Everything from beaded bracelets to birthstone bracelets, like it's all on their site. They just have so much jewelry. So I very much recommend checking it out. There's just so much out there to be able to personalize, like within the beads. On the beaded bracelets, you can personalize actually between the beads. So there's so much fun here that you can have to personalize for yourself or to personalize for gifts. Try the subscription box. I love Talisa. So this is such a great subscription idea, not to mention a great jewelry company idea. So I'm absolutely loving it. I can't wait to hear what you think though. So please do comment down below. Let me know. Did you have a favorite item? I think I love it all, but I'm really loving this necklace. I think this is so much fun. I love that it is personalized. I'm loving the earrings. I do love I love it all. I love it all. It's awesome. But I am really enjoying this chain on this necklace and how flat it lays and how pretty it really stands out. But they're all awesome. Makes for a great set too. I can wear all three of these together, which I love. But it does come in gold if your preference is gold, and then there's really fun beaded pieces as well. So lots to choose from. I really enjoyed sharing this with you. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Don't forget, if you use my code, you'll get 10% off. I'm going to put that right here as well as down below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today and checking out the new Talisa subscription box on my channel. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.